I'd like to explain to you a little bit about digital publishing. This technology has been implemented as a replacement for printed materials and publications. These materials and publications can be delivered electronically and via the internet and electronic bookstores in various formats. The consumer digests the published content on a website, in an application on a tablet device, or in a PDF. All these formats can be managed and delivered via the Adobe Systems Digital Publishing Suite. Here's a case study. The client was Fitzgerald Automalls. The goal: to replace the printed materials and large static boards that are utilized in the sales process. This large static sales board sort of guided the salesperson through a somewhat structured sales pitch. Step 2, the pitch. I needed to hear the salesperson go through this electronic material to understand how they utilized and referred to their printed material.
The things you need to do to your car to keep it running and to maintain the value and integrity of the vehicle. And so what Mr. Fitzgerald...
Step 3, the build. Basically, I used the voiceover as a script to arrange the printed materials in a structured, formatted presentation. Let's take a look. We start the presentation with a simple hold screen. If you swipe up from the bottom, the menu appears. These are direct links to the different sections of the presentation. So we can hide the menu. The video can play. You can pause the video. We move on into the presentation. We've got some ads here. They wanted to reference some way people word advertising. So I've got these high-res graphics that you can tap and zoom into to read the fine print. And basically we tick through the rest of the presentation. There's some other elements here. You can tap these graphics here and have them pop up. And you can also have a web link. It goes out to a website. You can also pull web information into a frame. And this basically lets you go right to their website inside of the presentation, never leaving. You can click on anything. It's the full functioning website. And when you're done, you hit done and you're back in the presentation. In the end, we mirrored the iPad to a large-scale monitor, taking their sales presentation to another level, as well as saving money on printed materials. The tools have many other uses as well: interactive presentations, interactive PDFs and forms, e-publications such as magazines, catalogs, brochures. And because you can create content and export in many mainstream formats, it is a great means to deliver content.